Never judge someone's character based on the words of another. Hello guys, my name is Mehnaz and my today's story is about a king from South India. King had 3 children and they were very intelligent. King wanted all his children to be eligible to become a king. He wanted them to worthy and wise to take the decisions of the court. One day, King summoned all his children to the court and told him that he wanted to give them a task to test them. The elder son inquired what was the task. Then the king said, "Dear sons, I want you to go to the nearby states and find out the tree which I want to see." The king told his children that they would not go to the neighboring states together and they would visit the places and find the trees in the intervals of 4 months. So he assigned the job first to his elder son and asked him to go and find out the tree. The elder prince set out to find out the tree, and luckily he found that tree in the neighboring state itself. When he saw the tree, it was leafless and it was lifeless. And after seeing that tree, he confirmed with the people whether it is a pear tree or not. Then he returned back to his palace. After coming to his father, he told that he has discovered the tree and he would describe the tree. Then his father, that is the king, said that no, stop, now I would be asking you this description later on. Then it was the turn of the second prince. Second prince set out in the search of that pear tree. He started his journey. After searching for a longer time, he found that tree and he again returned back to his palace. After that, it was the turn of the younger prince, and younger prince also set out to find the tree. After few days, when he found that tree, he confirmed with the farmers, he confirmed with the villagers, and he returned back to his father. And after 3 of them returned from their discoveries, the king one day summoned all the 3 princes to his palace. And there were all ministers, courtiers, and the nearby kings in his court. And when all the 3 were assembled in the court, the king asked his children to describe the trees. Then the first one, that is the elder prince, started describing the tree. He said that the tree was lifeless, there were no leaves on that tree, and it looked very dull and colorless. But when he was describing the tree, the second prince, he interrupted the first brother, that is elder brother, and he said that, "What brother, what are you saying?" "No father, when I have seen the pear tree, it was very green, full of green leaves, but only thing it was lacking was there were no fruits." Then as the second brother was describing the tree, the third prince interrupted him and he said that, "Oh brothers, what are you saying? You are saying that there were no leaves on the tree, and you were saying that there were leaves and there were no fruits. But father, what I have noticed is that the tree was full of leaves and there were hundreds of fruits on that." Then all the 3 brothers, they started fighting, and there was a dispute among them and their ideas were contradictory. Then after some time, like all the people in the courtiers, the ministers, they were really amazed to see the situation. They were thinking that why the king has created a misunderstanding between his sons only. Then there was lot of chaos in the palace, in the court, and after that king asked all his children to maintain silence and asked him to keep quiet and stop fighting. The king told his children that he actually wanted to teach them 3 things. For that, he has sent them in 3 different seasons. He told them that all 3 of you have visited the same tree, but you have visited it in 3 different seasons. When the elder prince has visited the tree, he saw that it was lifeless, leafless, and it was colorless. And when the second prince visited the tree, he saw that the tree was full of greenery, green leaves, but there were no fruits. And when the younger prince, he visited the tree, he saw that the tree was full of green leaves and full of fruits. So by this I want to teach you 3 things. First thing is that you can never judge a person in one time. Never take a decision till you analyze the situation from first to last, either it is a thing or a relative or a friend. Secondly, what we learn from this small story is that never take the decision immediately. Maybe sometimes the time may not be good, that judgment would not be correct. As we have seen that when the elder prince has seen the tree, it was deserted, and when the second prince has seen, it was full of leaves, and when the third prince has seen, it was full of leaves and fruits. And the third thing what the king said is that time would not be same in one's life. The phases of life changes from time to time, so never judge people by seeing only one side of the coin. So the king said that you have seen the three phases of life. In autumn, trees shed the leaves, and in spring, the leaves blossom, and in summer, the fruits are on the trees. So the king said that never judge a person by just looking onto the one side of the coin. So what we learn today is that never judge a person's character by listening to the others words. So guys, if you like my story, if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I will be coming up with new motivational stories. Bye bye, have a nice day.